Hey, this will be a video chart on ticker symbol PMCM. We'll take a look at the daily time frame. Done this one at least one time, maybe two, can't remember, but anyways, been getting quite a few requests on it, so I want to get the chart updated so everybody's got an idea of what's going on from the technical perspective. So I think the last time I did it was sometime around one of these big moves here. And at that point, the key level that you wanted to see the price remain above was this purple line, which is the 50-day simple moving average. Very important moving average in the world of technical analysis, and therefore important level of support. And you can see here, temporary did drop below it, but the nice strong sign there was that it only stayed below it for 2 days, and it didn't separate in terms of continuing to fall down. Went sideways and then got right back above it. So that's a nice little victory in and of itself. Sure, you'd like to see it stay up here, but it was nice to see it get up back above the 50-day. And then you can see here these 2 days in a row pulled back and back tested it, and then it held as support exactly like you would want to see it. And you can see now has since bounced upwards. So yesterday was a very nice way to start the week. Big volume, big price reaction. So the majority of people are asking now, is this over? Was this just a one-day pop? And I would say no right now. And the reason I would say no is because the price is still holding up the way you would want to see it. And the way you would want to see it, how am I defining that? Well, that's just simply the price has and is remaining above this 50-day simple moving average. Now, if the price were to close below this, then I would say, this day was just a one-day wonder, thing's over. But because we're still above it, I think there's could still be some momentum here behind it. It was just a consolidation day. You can see here pullback. Volume was much less than the breakout day, and as any volume analysis textbook will tell you, that's the sort of action you want to see for that. So the quick answer, no, I don't think this was a one-day wonder. There's still hope left for it. Now, maybe tomorrow it'll collapse through here, or maybe it'll start to head back upwards. But the point being, for me, as long as it remains above this purple line, then there is still a chance that it can put in some higher high. So 0.0035, which is the 50-day simple moving average, is definitely the key level of support. Now, in terms of resistance levels, the key one that's sticking out to me is going all the way back to June 11th here, which was a high of 0081. So this will be the key level of resistance that I would like to see broken, but more importantly, close above. Yesterday it did break it, but you can see by the closing bell, wasn't able to close above it. So 0.008, that's or 881 if you want to call it, is the key level of resistance. Next level of resistance after that is not until way up here over a penny at 0.012. So lots of potential to run. But this 0.0081 is going to be the key level of resistance. 0.0035, the 50-day simple moving average, is going to be the key level of support. So these are definitely the two important areas to watch going forward. And the chart's going to kind of be dictated by how the price reacts around either of these levels. So if there are any other questions on the chart, please let me know. If not, I'd encourage you to sign up for our free newsletter up there. When you do that, you'll receive an ebook. And if you enjoyed the video and want to learn more about charting and how to use it in your strategy as a trader, I'd encourage you to click below and look at our educational course. Over 8.5 hours of video and teaching. It's been getting great third-party reviews, so I'd encourage you to make an investment into your education as a trader and check it out. One more time, this was PMCM. Thanks for listening.